I'm about to drop one of my biggest secrets for social media. Everyone who scrolls by will miss it, but you're not going to scroll by because you know what's good. Here we go. In 1, 2, 3. Okay, are you ready? My biggest secret for social media and how I create content for myself and for all of my clients and how I show up consistently and how I keep going even on bad days is I batch create. How do I batch create, you may ask? I write down a whole list of content that I want to film, and then when I have time and when I have energy, I create. I try to create like a whole month of content at a time. And then if I have other ideas the day of, well, I'll create those too. But at least I know that I have consistent content to show up no matter how I'm actually feeling in the moment. This is how you can continue to show up on social media consistently. Create content in batches. Set aside a day, create a whole bunch of content, and trust me, you will be thanking me later.